guys, it's Rebecca. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. Today's video I have an unboxing from Glossybox. I did my first unboxing last month, I think, and I do have a Glossybox discount. If you guys don't know what Glossybox is, it's a subscription box, and you have the choice of having a monthly subscription, or you can have it every 6 months, or you can have a year, like a year. You choose how often, like your contract per se, like you can have it monthly, or you can buy six boxes, or you can buy 12 boxes. I hope that makes sense. I do have a discount code for your first box. It is Rebecca with 1C, and you get 22% off your first box. So I'm going to just open this guy up. This guy came a little busted here, so I hope the box inside is okay. A lot of people say they don't really like Glossybox because it doesn't give them a lot of makeup like say other subscription boxes, but it doesn't bother me because I have plenty of makeup and I don't want to accumulate too much makeup. So last update I had a lot of skincare and hair care, and we'll see what this box brings. So first off, right out of the box, there's a coupon here for $10 off your order from Wear Lively. So I think Wear Lively is a, is it an underwear type store? Yes, I think it's a bra, if you guys can see. I think it's like a bra type thing. And I am actually in need of new bras, so I might use this coupon. So I will be saving this puppy for later. But here is the box. It's a very pretty box with Glossybox. It just looks very classy. I love it. And right on top we have the little pamphlet that explains everything that's in the box, and it comes all wrapped up in a nice little bow, and it says World of Beauty. So I wonder if this is going to be some sort of like a travel international type theme, and we'll see what it says. So oh, if you guys don't know, I love to travel. I haven't been anywhere since September. So it's gonna be almost a year that I've gone anywhere, and it just hurts my heart a little bit because I love the world. I love experiencing the world, different cultures, and there's a map there, and it just reminds me of like good times I've had traveling the world. Anyway, last time I looked at this on the inside first before I saw what was in here, and I think this time around I'm just gonna open up the little paper here, and we'll see what's in here. Okay, the first thing, I'm not gonna open everything, so I'm just gonna like take the first thing that I see here. And this is a little packet of Tony Moly Peach Punch Cleansing Tissue. It has 8 wipes in here, but what is this? Is it a makeup remover wipe? Okay, I have to dig in here because I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is a Tony Moly. It says, an indispensable addition to any skincare routine, these tissues from Korea provide effective but gentle cleanse. Infused with 100 ppm, I don't know what that is, of peach extract, they help remove impurities and brightening and hydrating your skin. Tip, cleansing wipes are great to help remove makeup, dirt, and oil, even better on the go. So throw these in your gym bag. This is gonna be perfect for the gym. Travel bag and work bag, the deluxe size with the 8 count is worth $7. It's not worth, but oh my god, estimated to be at $7. And this is perfect. My gym is finally opening up next week, so it's gonna be perfect to throw in there. That way I can wipe my face right before I go into the gym. I don't like working out with makeup, especially if I go to the gym after work. It's a hassle to carry like makeup remover and cotton squares. Anyway, these are gonna be perfect, and I don't want to open them, though I kind of do to see how they smell, but I don't want to open them just yet. But I am happy with this first one. So okay, don't look. The next one, I see something yellow. Okay, this is from Rodial. This is the Vitamin C Energizing Face Mask to brighten and renew. This is like perfect for when you travel, because when you travel, at least with me, my skin just like freaks out and it's like, what did you just do to me? So let's see, where's the Rodial? Okay, the Vitamin C Energizing Sheet Mask. Say hello to brightening looking skin and this insanely rejuvenating, retexturizing, and illuminating mask from one of our top skincare brands in the UK. Oh, I love England. Packed with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid, consider this a tremendous boost for your routine. MSRP is $18. And then the tip they give you here is to use sunscreen every time you use something with vitamin C. I usually do my face masks at night, so it's not like I go directly into the sun, but I still do use sunscreen. So it feels pretty saturated, so it's gonna be nice. This would have been perfect to have during my face mask challenge, but I have it now, so I will be using it soon, I hope. Let's see. Let's dive into the next thing that I feel here. Okay. Oh, this is something that I already own. This is a cleanser from Chorus. This is the Nourishing Probiotic Gel Cream. And I love Chorus. This is a brand that I haven't gotten something from in a long time. But I remember really loving their milk proteins makeup wipes. But anyway, let's read up on this guy, shall we? This is a deluxe mini. This is the rich in collagen building protein, this Greek moisturizer. Oh, it's moisturizer. I have the cleanser, never mind, I don't have this. It's perfect for reducing redness and adding a plump bounce to your skin that lasts all day. It's clinically proven, microbiome friendly. Technology won't disrupt your skin's natural barrier, giving you the ultimate healthy glow. The MSRP for this 20 ml deluxe size is $18. And I can use it day or night. So it's gonna be nice to have a little moisturizer. I could always use it and hopefully I like it. Hopefully it won't be too greasy. I hope not, since I can use it day or night, but that's nice to have. Let's see what else is in here. I feel 4 things. Okay, well, I saw everything already. This is the, what is this? Decorte. This is the Liposome, Moisture Liposome. Oh, it's a serum. This is a hydrating, boosting serum. Where is it? It's a deluxe mini. Infusing skin with all-day hydration to help repair and protect. Decorte's Liposome serum is engineered to time release layer by layer. Its biometric phospholipids continuously hydrate the skin from within, promoting powerful renewal while minimizing the appearance of fine lines. Yes, I'm all about all that. It's how much is it? It's 9 mls and it's made in Japan. This deluxe mini of 9 mls is worth $22.50. Full size of 20 mls is worth $50. So I am happy. I always use a serum all the time, so it'll be nice to discover a new brand, and we'll see how this works. So I'll give you guys an update once I finish that. Then I have a liquid metal eyeshadow from Modelo. This is the full size. No, Model Co. Not Modelo. So this is the one makeup item that I get here, and like I said, I don't mind it because I would rather prefer get skincare than makeup. If I could open this, let's see. Oh, how pretty. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty gold shade here. Let me give you guys a swatch. Oh, this is so pretty. It kind of reminds me of the Becca Opal in liquid form. Very, very pretty. What about Modelo? Let's see, this is an Australian, I think, company. From Australia. This velvety eyeshadow delivers color in a single swipe and dries almost instantly to lock in a weightless shine. Tip: want more vibrant color? Be sure to add an eyeshadow primer on before the eyeshadow. MSRP $19 because this is a full size, and that's very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. I just finished a Stila Glitter and Glow, and I was complaining about how glittery it is and how chunky it is and how I would never buy it. But this one looks very pretty. So it is pretty dry already. I mean, I put a thick swatch on it, but if you put a thin layer, it looks pretty good. So I'm excited to try it. And then last but not least, I have like 2 little foil packets here. This is the High Five Facial Moisturizer and High Expectations Facial Oil. So the High Five, it's a cannabis facial moisturizer with 20% cannabis sativa seed oil. And then the Expectations, I don't know what that was about. This is the facial oil, 32% cannabis sativa, I don't know how you say it. Is it sativa or sativa? You guys let me know, 1 or 2. 32%. Is that why it's called high? like high expectations because it has pot in it? Not that it has pot, but you guys know what I mean. Anyway, made in the USA, of course. Melissa, oh God, Joachim found benefits in the cannabis sativa that have truly remarkable results for your skin, and these little numbers are no exceptions. Hydrating and giving intensive repair, this moisturizer and oil combo is perfect for even the most sensitive skin. So the facial moisturizer MSRP is $40 and the oil is $54. And the tip that they give you here is save the intense facial oil for nighttime. Pour the drops onto your hands, warm the oil on the palms, and then press on your skin. So yeah, so we'll see how these two guys work together, and hopefully it'll have nice benefits to my skin. But there you go, guys. That is June's Glossybox. Honestly, I loved everything that was in there. I see myself using everything, and I like that I only got 1 makeup item because I already purchased a lot of makeup recently. Anyway, like I said, I do have a code. If you guys are interested, feel free to use it. The code is Rebecca with 1C. And that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.